And with the warm temps, many are firing up the AC for the first time this season. But what if you have a problem and you rent? These issues can quickly turn into questions about safety and repairs, especially if your landlord doesn't respond. So what should you do if you run into that problem? Well, Fox 5's Sophia Brunsma joins us live tonight after speaking with a local agency that focuses on tenant rights with an idea of what you should do. Sophia?
That's right, Tom. Nevada Legal Services say that they do see more tenants complaining when it's starting to heat up. They say that tenants do have rights, but it's important what you do and what you don't do, because making the wrong move can ultimately lead to a bad outcome. John Brogdon is a senior attorney with Nevada Legal Services, defending a wide range of tenants, especially when it heats up.
It's pretty common, especially in the summer. We get a lot of air conditioning issues.
He says in southern Nevada, extreme heat can put extra stress on homes and apartments, making repairs a common problem this time of year. Brogdon says Nevada law generally breaks these problems into two categories: habitability issues and essential services issues.
There's a lot of overlap in the language of the two statutes, but essential services, it's something that without it, that unit's pretty much uninhabitable. Like, you would not want to live there. For habitability, it might be something like, let's say there's a slow leak.
The difference matters because it can change how a tenant should respond. Brogdon says one of the first things many people think about is withholding rent, but he warns that could be risky in Nevada.
The landlord may or may not fix the issue, and the person is out on the street for however long. The eviction process here is very quick. It's not like California.
With a habitability issue, tenants may have to wait 14 days for a landlord to make a reasonable effort to fix the problem. And withholding rent is not as simple as just not paying.
If it's a habitability issue, they are required to put that money into escrow with the court. At the time they file their answer and say, hey, this is the reason I withheld my rent. It's not that I just don't want to pay my rent. So they have to, in good faith, give that money to the court.
And when it comes to an essential service, landlords are generally required to take a reasonable step within 48 hours, not including holidays or weekends. Other options for tenants may include paying for certain repairs and deducting the cost from rent, or in some cases, terminating the lease, which can be complicated. In either case, he says that it's important that the tenant puts all of this in writing if they have a complaint, and that it's done in the way that's phrased in the lease if that's available. He also emphasizes that everything is different. It's a case-by-case basis, but recommends getting a lawyer to proceed forward. Reporting live in Las Vegas, Sophia Brunsma, Fox 5 News, Local, Las Vegas.
Sophia, thank you. And one more warning from Nevada Legal Services. Don't rely on AI to draft those legal claims or demands to your landlord that she was talking about. Attorneys there say they've been seeing more of that, and that the chatbots can misstate Nevada law, which will hurt your credibility or even create problems for you later in court.